Will Lucid be heading upwards of the $10 levels after the massive news that the company released today? Or is this a ticker which has already ran its course and it should be heading back down to earth sooner than later? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another no BS, non-biased price prediction video. Today, Lucid shocked the world. Well, it shocked the world except for the top trader Sam followers, right? What am I talking about? Because about a month ago, I came out with this video and I told you guys this. This is the #1 stock to be buying right now, and I'm going to be buying approximately $40,000 worth of this ticker very soon. With that said, what is this ticker? Too long didn't watch. It's Lucid, ticker symbol LCID. I believe that it's extremely oversold. I believe that it is the definition of a bargain, and I'm also going to be telling you guys some bang, right? What price is this? $2.15. At $2.15 I came out with this video. That could be in the works when it comes. What is going on here? At $2.15 I came out with this video. The stock today hit a high of $3.69. Now in our own community, we did end up closing our positions approximately above the $3.30 levels. But remember. First thing I want to state for you guys. This is a trading channel. Read the name of the channel. Top Trader Sam, not Top Investor Sam, right? And when it comes to stocks like Lucid or BBAI or APLD or NEO or Palantir, right? A lot of times people kind of get this mixed up, right? Where they want to come in here with all this fundamental talk and they want to come in here with saying this and saying that. This is a trading channel, okay? This is a trading channel. That's all, right? Remember that, right? So don't tell me about what the company is going to look like in the next 10 years, in the next 15 years, because remember, I am a Lucid permabull. I am very bullish on Lucid. I am. I do believe that Lucid will hit eventually the $5 to $10 price range, right? I personally think that Lucid should be worth $10 to $15. That's my price target for Lucid when it comes to per share price. Now, is that going to manifest itself in the next 6 months, or is that going to manifest itself in the next 2 years? Well, that's going to kind of be the debate where you need to kind of, settle for yourself and understand, okay, well, it depends on what my risk management looks like. But today, let's go over the news that Lucid announced, because this is honestly massive, right? So it said Lucid shares jump 27%. It jumped more than 27%. After on Uber Neuro robotaxi plans, $300 million investment. So let's go ahead and read exactly what's happening. So it says the company said before the opening bell that they're collaborating with a new robotaxi program on the Uber app, for which Uber will deploy 20,000 or more Lucid vehicles equipped with neuro autonomy systems. The program is expected to launch next year in the major U.S. cities. Next, in a major U.S. city, likely I want to say Texas or something like that, or it's a third-party fleet program will operate the Neuro driver-equipped Lucid vehicles. In tandem with the program announcement, Lucid disclosed that it has received a $300 million investment from Uber's subsidiary SBM Holdings through a private placement offering. Shares were priced based on their 30-day average and are subject to an 18-month lockup period. An 18-month lockup period. So the company just went ahead and received a freaking, what do you call it? They just received $300 million up front, and the people that bought the shares, they can't go ahead and sell those shares for another 18 months. Amazing. Now let's look at this. Lucid also said Thursday that it plans to seek shareholder approval for a 1-to-10 stock reverse split. Is this necessary? I don't think so. I don't think it's necessary. I wonder why they want to do this, right? I am really curious as to why they want to do this. Now, how does a stock reverse split work? The way a stock reverse split works is that you pretty much, let's say you own 10 shares at $3. Those 10 shares get squeezed, and now you have one share for $30. That's it, right? So a lot going on over here. But I think the biggest thing that we saw was the $300 million investment. And also the future looking extremely bright for for them with this Uber freaking robotaxi investment, right? That's gonna be massive. Now for me, guys, when it comes to Lucid, unfortunately, just on the basis of how this stock trades, I see it falling back down to $2.50 again. Believe it or not, I know that sounds crazy. I get it, right? Maybe that's not exactly what you want to hear, but that's just what I think, right? If you see over here, we made multiple purchases down over here, right? Now, again, so when it comes to, and this is just on one of my accounts, when it comes to Lucid, for me, right, I do think that, it does have a strong level of resistance over here at this $3.50 level, right, $3.50 to $3.60 levels, right, and if it breaks $3.50, I could see it heading upwards of this $4.50 level, $4 to $4.50 level. I could see it trading along there as well. Now, like I said, I do see it unfortunately falling back down to this $2.60 range. If it falls to 260, I will be picking up some more shares for more of a, again, long-term swing, give or take, right? Now, guys, we made a killing. We made an absolute killing, so congratulations on everyone that did follow it. And listen, this truly was the best stock to buy in 2025. So congratulations, right? Congratulations on following the alerts and believing in the channel and believing on my alerts. Now, listen, guys, I'm not always right? I'm not always right. I'm far from always being right? I have an 82% win rate when it comes to trading. This is 500 trades later. Like if you look over here, this is 500 freaking trades later, right? You know what your favorite mentor does? This is what your favorite mentor does. Your favorite mentor does this. He selects a month and he goes, look, everyone, I have a 93% win rate. Nice, bro. You got a 90% win rate 10% of the time. What are you talking about, right? But reality is I have an 82% win rate. Let's just say 80%. Now, why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this because I wanna point something out for you guys. With an 80% win rate, okay, I have an 80% win rate, right? Did I mention I have an 80% win rate? No, I'm joking. That means that I have a 20% lose rate, okay? That means that I have a 20% lose rate. With a 20% lose rate, there are 250 trading days. That means 50 days I lose money. There is 50 days that I lose money. There are 50 days that I'm losing money. So a lot of you guys think when it comes to trading, you need to be perfect and you can't ever lose money and can't ever be wrong. But what really that mentality does, that mentality really gets you in trouble because you end up being stuck in positions where you're not going to be able to cut your losses because you don't want to take an L, right? You just want to hold on and hold on and hold on and hold on, and the stock is sinking and sinking and sinking and sinking. And every trade that you take that goes south, you take off the trader hat and you put on the investor hat and convince yourself that this is actually a great investment and that you will recover your money in 10 years. But the reality is that in 10 years, the company's probably not going to even be around, right? That's majority of stocks. I'm not talking about Lucid right now. I'm talking about your other trades. Now, listen, if you guys want to tap in and trade with me every single day, right, and get access to, my day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, everything like that, check out the community, okay? Check out the community. We've been kicking ass. We have over 400 members coming back month after month. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. What I would do is I would join for the first 7 days, see if I make money. If I make money, I'll come back for more. If I don't make money, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave, and I'll never ever come back again. That's personally what I would do, right? I'm not saying that's something you should do. I'm saying that's what I would do, right? And that's it, okay? Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section and description. I would try it out, okay? I would try it out. I would be curious as to go like, okay, well, what's going on here? Why is there 400 people in this Discord? Like, what's happening, right? Like, what's really happening? Give it a shot, okay? Give it a shot. Shout out Alina, she brought in 7 Gs today, on the week actually rather, 25% for Sean. We've been killing it, guys. We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it over here, my man, right? Bought Lucid at 210 with us, sold today for 294. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe pause it on these. Just want to say I started with Sam 5 weeks ago for $400. Count is about 867. We're killing it, man. We're killing it day in, day out. Day in, day out, we're putting in work. And that's why people are coming back. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy investing in trading. And that's all. Remember, don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. That's the sad reality of the matter. Myself, I've been trading for 8 years, okay? The first 3 years, let's not even talk about it, all right? Let's not talk about what happened in the first 3 years, okay? Anyways, I look forward to meeting you guys in Top Trading Academy. One more thing as well. Right now, we do also have a sale going on. When the next 10 people that join, they do get access to the community for a 50% discount. You heard that right. Next 10 people, 50% discount, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee, 80% win rate. Did I mention I have an 80% win rate? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.